go to our next exercise, and that is the famous exercise called mewing. I'm sure that all of you heard of it. We can say that mewing is the proper tongue posture, and that means to press your tongue up against the roof of your mouth all the time. It's a little tricky exercise to do, but I'm gonna teach you a very quick and easy way today so you can learn how to do mewing perfectly. Start by saying the word sing like this. Sing. So as you can notice, your tongue goes up and sticks to the roof of your mouth. Apply a little bit of pressure upward and hold your tongue up for 30 seconds. Let's start. Sing. Okay, how was it? If you're feeling okay, let's repeat it one more time. Sing. You can do this exercise all day with your mouth closed and no one can notice that you are doing the mewing exercise. Like this. Sing.